Yeah, the use of aliases is based on approval of higher units or in the military higher headquarters. So if you're using a pseudonym or it is supposed to be approved. For example, if you use a pseudonym and it's part of the approval of the fund to be used, then it is authorized by the approving authority. When the fund is approved without even knowing the names that will be used, as long as the total fund is approved, it already approved the things that you will do to use that fund. So if the pseudonyms are not necessarily open to public and not necessarily to open to people who do not have the need to know who are these people. Otherwise, it cannot be called intelligence.